Okay, we got a 2001 S2000. We went ahead and gave him the Excalibur 1670 with the linker module. To arm the alarm, you're gonna hit lock, locks your doors, hit the remote control, unlock. I gave him the program that so it unlocks both sides in one shot, so he doesn't have to sit here and do it twice and all that stuff. The trunk, you just hold this down for 3 seconds. That pops the trunk. Okay. Then from the app on the phone, the way it works is if you hit unlock, it's gonna unlock the doors, turn off the alarm. Okay. Tells you the doors are unlocked. Okay, gonna arm it. Gives you the doors are locked. This will pop the trunk, of course. Anywhere in the world you can do that. Tells you the voltage of the battery and the actual car, the signal or the actual unit inside the vehicle. This is a picture of his car that he put. GPS, you press it, it'll open up the map. I don't want to do it for security reasons. Yeah, so if the alarm also fires off, you'll receive the push notification. I'm gonna go ahead and arm it. Then I'm gonna set off his alarm, and then he'll get that alarm alert. It came in now, see? Okay. If the phone is close, and then you'll get the sound, but he had the phone open, so that's why the sound didn't come in. But yeah, this is the whole complete alarm system. He's got starter kill, so when you're on the alarm, the call won't start. I'll go ahead and open up the door again. I'm gonna use a key because I don't want to break the guy's window, of course. Call won't start. If I turn off the alarm, I'll crank right up for him. Put that thing on neutral. Okay. Yeah, pretty cool car. I mean, back in the days, this thing was a fun car to drive, and it still is. If you put the top down here in South Florida, it makes it a lot of fun. Okay. This is the alarm system right here in the top. You got the antenna that's got the blue LED light that's gonna give you a range on the actual the antenna. It's not for the GPS or nothing like that. It's just to give you a range on the fob, so you can do it from almost a length of a football field. And then of course when you're on the alarm, you got the blue light right there and flashing at night. This alarm was installed here in this 2001 S2000 by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.